my beloved friends, in today's video, I'm going to make a healthy salad using shiny bush herb or Pansitpansitan in Tagalog. I'm not sure if you are familiar with this herb, and my mom just introduced this to me just a month ago, and this is very healthy. It has a lot of health benefits, so let's start. Hello! Hello, Charlotte! So ngayon, maghahap tayo ngayon ng shiny bush herb. Actually, tumutubo siya sa mga rocky places, sa mga greenhouses. So, dito tayo sa aming garden. There you are! So, kukunin natin itong mga shiny bush herb. Nakikita niyo? This herb has a lot of health benefits, like it may treat arthritis, incredible gastroprotective properties, it prevents the growth of cancer cells, heals fracture, has powerful antioxidant, antifungal, antidepressant, reduces uric acid, anti-inflammation. It can also lower blood cholesterol level, treat urinary system problems, treat gout and arthritis. So, these are the shiny bush or Pansitpansitan na nakuha ko kanina. Medyo makulit yung dog ko, kaya hindi ako masyado nakakuha. But, I think enough na to for the salad. Well, ang gagawin niya is never ever pull the herb. Na pag ganon, no? Never ever pull this herb. Kasi masasama yung kanyang soil and roots. So, much better na gumamit tayo ng scissor. Ika-cut lang natin siya. So, it's up to you kung gano'ng karaming shiny bush herb or Pansitpansitan ang inyong kukunin. And, of course, kailangan natin siyang banlawan para mas malinis siya. So, wait. After na mahugasan tong ating shiny bush plant, herb, kinat ko pa siya into small pieces para mas madali natin siyang makain. And ngayon, pagsasama-samahin lang natin yung mga ingredients natin. Let's add chopped garlic, and then tomatoes and onions. Some pepper. Actually, gusto ko maraming pepper. Some white vinegar. Pakonti-konti lang muna. And then we will add some sweetener. You can use stevia or just this brown sugar. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyo gamitin. Pero ako, para mas makarelate ang lahat, I'm going to use this brown sugar. You will just mix it. I smell the aroma. And then let's partner it with this March's Crackling plain salted vegetarian chicharron old-fashioned style. Thank you, Lord, for food. So, my beloved friends, ayan ang ating vlog for today. The healthy salad using shiny bush herb or Pansitpansitan in Tagalog. Thank you so much for watching and please try it. Bye-bye. God bless.